Our signature dynamic glow was first discovered as part of a series of design prototypes for some tea candle holders back in 2015. The aha moment came when one particular iteration stood out and immediately drew our attention, as the glow from the flame seemed to be magnified and softly danced around the top surface. Mesmerized by the beauty we had discovered, we named our first design Aura. And less than a year later, Lumacast was founded with the idea that purposeful design could enhance and elevate the fire feature experience. And after many iterations, the softened geometry was refined to maximize the ambiance of the flame, providing a unique visual experience that one client enthusiastically referred to as the lovechild between a sunset and a heartbeat. First introduced with our Aura series, the soft geometry and resulting dynamic glow are now available in several of our models, ranging from classic to contemporary in a round or linear silhouette to fit your space planning needs and design aesthetic. You can find more information on our wide range of products by visiting our website at lumacast.com. And we can always be reached via email or phone to answer any questions that you might have. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to working with you. Lumacast, the fire feature experience refined.